Hello, hi. Little reminder that we are live on Twitch every Friday and Sunday evenings, so join us if you like the chaos. Also, you can find my book on Amazon, link in description. Thank you very much, and I let you with the video.
Oh, non-canon yaoi BL ships! I wanna see it, I wanna see it, I wanna see. Oh, okay. Okay. Love, like, neutral, dislike, hate, I know, but I have no opinion about. Okay, what do you think about the ship? About the ships? Keep it together, guys. Oh. Okay. Light Yagami with L. I like it. This one, I'm not sure because I don't know. Like, who say this mean I don't know. I don't know this one. I don't know this one. Oh, Nagisa and Karma. I love it. I love the ships they made. Okay, those ones I don't know. Tanjiro and I forgot the name. Tanjiro and the guy who makes the you know who loves Nezuko. Okay, I don't like it. Zenitsu. Yeah, sorry, I forgot his name. Tanjiro and Zenitsu. Nah. If Tanjiro had to be shipped with someone, I think I will ship Tanjiro more with. Not really. I don't really have anyone to ship him with. I don't really have anyone to ship him with. I don't have an opinion. Yeah. Those two, like the. I also forgot the names. Is this Jiu and his childhood friend? I love it. This one I don't know. Naruto and Sasuke. Naruto and Sasuke together, yeah. This one I don't know. Who's this? I don't know. Oh no, Saitama and Saitama and the cyborg. No. I hate it. No. Saitama and the cyborg. No. This one I don't know. Those two I never watched My Hero Academia, but those two looks good together. I don't know. No, I don't like it. I think this one could find someone else. That's a no. I don't know about it. Killua and this one. I'm back for a little bit. Suffer. I like it. This one I don't know. Lelouch and his childhood friend. It's Mai Todoroki. They don't look very good together. Oh, what if I'm seeing a lot of things? That's why I said suffer. Levi and Eren. I love it. Levi and Eren together. Not Miss Yaoi doing yaoi. Yes. This one I don't know about. Is this Sanji? Sanji and Zoro? I love it. Non-canon BL tierlist. Yay. Sanji and Zoro. I love it. This one I don't know about. Those two together. Yeah. They could. That I don't know about. Isn't already a BL this one? I don't know. Those I don't know about. But they look kinda cute together, so I'm neutral. I don't know about. No, Tanjiro with this man, no. It is. Didn't know there was this much non-canon beer shit. There is. No, I hate it. It's a no. It's a no. This one I don't know about. No. Eren and Jean, no. It's a no. I don't know about. You know what? Tanjiro and Roy Mustang and Edward Elric. I don't know what it is. Okay, those ones look cute together. I put them into the like. Natsu and the frozen guy. I never remember the names. I like. That's one I don't know about. No, Armin and Eren, it's a no. It's a no. No. I don't know about it. I don't know enough to tell. Luffy and Zoro, Natsu and Grey, bro. Yeah, Natsu and Grey, they look good together. Luffy and Zoro. I like it, but less than Sanji and Zoro. No, this one I don't like it. Zenitsu and again I forgot the name. The pig guy. Just wondering, why does Aki keep pinning the DC? What does it mean? Inosuke, yeah. Zenitsu and Inosuke? No, I rather Tanjiro and Inosuke. This one I don't know about, this one I don't know about. Don't know enough to tell. No, doesn't look good. Don't know enough to tell. Oh yeah, this one, yeah, of course, this one, yeah. The butler and Ciel, of course. I don't see anything. Yeah, I pinned the Discord. I don't know why, but he did. Seraph of the End, I don't know about. I don't know enough to make a ship. I mean, I'm neutral about this. Oh yeah, Dazai and the ginger guy. I love this one. You know what? It must be my favorite. You probably hid it for yourself. It's my favorite, this one with Dazai. Dazai and this guy, my favorite. This one I don't know enough about. No, this one doesn't look good. I don't know enough about to tell. Still don't know enough to tell. No, doesn't tell me anything. Oh, those two, yes, of course, yeah. Of course. No, of course you do, Sky. I'm under the effect of Kyoka Suigetsu. Oh, those two. I mean, this anime is kinda a yaoi. It's a yaoi, but sneaky yaoi, because there is no yaoi scenes, you know, but it's still a yaoi. Those two together, yeah, of course. Oh, yeah, I can ship them. I like them. I can ship them. Brosket, wait. I think I know that one. This I don't know enough. I don't know enough. No, Jojo, I haven't seen. Oh, it's getting complicated. Let me see. Okay. Of course. Those two. No, second place. No, second place. This one. Never mind, I thought it was Yari Shin. I don't know. Of course, those two. Fushiguro and I have a bad memory. No, with Gojo. No, never. Gojo has to be Gojo has no. Fujiguro no. Fujiguro no. There we go. Gojo has to be with his lovely. I forgot his name again. Itadori Yuji. Yeah. Itadori Yuji. Yeah, Yuji with I have a bad memory anyway. With Fujiguro. Those two together. And those two together. I don't know enough. I don't know enough. Don't know enough to tell. 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 It's hard to make a ship when you don't know. Is it Genshin Impact? No, I don't know enough to tell. Give me from things I've seen and I can talk about, because there I don't know. Oh, those two. Domain expansion, self-embodiment of perfection. Genshin. Okay, those two. I like. I don't know enough. Still don't know enough. Oh, those two. I kinda like the ship. You probably told someone to do something in a sign can. What are you talking about? Oh yeah. Those two. I love the ship. It's like Dazai. Those two. I like the ship. I know a professional games. I don't know enough. No, those two, I don't think they're good together. Actually, I dislike. I don't hate, but I dislike. Those two, I don't hate, but I dislike. I don't think they're good together. Don't know enough. No. Again, no. Give me things I can do, I can work with. Give me ships I can work with. Come on. No. Dazai and this guy. No. It's not possible. Sky, most of them I know, and they aren't yaoi, so I feel harassed. Because this is not supposed to be yaoi. It's non-canons. Yaoi build ships. But it has to be from things I've seen, so I can tell if the ship could work or not. So this I don't know. Dazai and him? I'm neutral. I'm about it better words. Sky, we're too straight for this shit. I don't care. Those two, I'm neutral. I don't dislike it, but I don't actually like it a lot. So, Oh, not bad. Them together, yeah. I could see it. Not love it, but I could like it. Like Dr. Stone. I could see it. Don't know this. Don't worry, it's still a lot of things to do, but don't expansion infinite yaoi. Yay. Don't know this one. Don't know enough. Oh, those two, yeah, of course, together they're like this, yeah. Those two, it's a no. Don't know enough. Isoka with no. No. Don't know enough, still don't know enough. Batman and Superman? No, Batman and Superman. I will say I'm neutral for the Batman and Superman ship. I'm neutral. But for the Captain America and Iron Man, no, it's better with the Winter Soldier. Okay, this one I would say I'm neutral. But Captain America and the Winter Soldier, I say I like the ship like this. Deadpool and Superman, it's a no. No. You know what? I hate it. It's a no. Interesting, this one. This one is interesting. Mikey with I forgot the name again. And he's the main character, but I love this ship. Mikey with him, I love this ship. I don't know if Iron Man and Doctor Strange. Nah, I don't feel like it could be cool. It could be good. No. Harry Potter and Malfoy, of course. It's one of the basics. Sokka with a little flame guy. Oh shit, I lost it. No, I lost Sokka and there we go. Okay, Sokka and him, I love them. Together they are good. Don't know enough. Not really. Together, not really. But then I could see it. Oh, together like this? Yeah. I can see it. Todoroki and Kachan, I can see it. I can see it. This one I can't. This one I can see it. It's a no. This one, I would say no. I don't know enough. Don't know enough. Oh, Baji and Shifuyu, of course. Yes. Of course. It's a love. Is this Baji? I love it, Nya. Oh, Scheisse. I lost it, Nya. Where are they? Oh no, I lost them. Oh no. Oh, too bad, Nya. Oh, that's okay. Baji and no. Nya. It's a no, Nya. Gotta go again. Okay, Chileno. Nya. Okay, those two, I love it together, Nya. Tokyo Revenger is like a BL, but without being a BL, actually. Yeah. It's a no. Oh, Sherlock and Moriarty, of course. Yeah. This one I don't know about. Oh, they're here. Well, I will say it's a like. This one, no. I dislike it. Yeah. Don't know about it, yeah. Don't know enough. Oh! Sukuna and Fushiguro. Yeah. Sukuna and Fushiguro. Yeah. I would say not the same as Itadori and Fushiguro, but it's still alike. Yeah. This one is no. Oh, those two. It's alike too. Don't know enough. Don't know enough, don't know enough, don't know enough. Still don't know, don't know, don't know. There is so much I don't know about. Yeah. I don't know enough. Still don't know enough. There are Genshin characters too. I can. Oh, Gojo and Toji. Yeah. Gojo and Toji. Gojo and Toji. Yeah. I'll have to take it here to the like. Don't know enough, 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 don't know enough. We are arriving to the end. Don't know enough, 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 don't know enough. Genshin characters, don't know enough, 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 don't know enough. No idea who they are, no idea who they are. Don't know who this is. Don't know who this is. Don't know this. No. This one it's a no, yeah. This. Oh, I lost it. Oops. Well, it's fine. It's a young. Okay, I see who it is. And I kinda like this shape, yeah. I kinda like this shape. Oh, they're my babies! They're... Okay. You remember? you know, generally this down expression has fried my brain. Yeah, you know those two. You know how I never remember any name in the whole characters, not even Itadori and everything. This is Sheng Xiaoshu and this is Lu Guang. I know their names better than all the other characters, and this is my main ship. Lu Guang and Sheng Xiaoshu from Link Click. Those are my main. It's my main ship BL yaoi goal. Those two, I can see it. Yeah. Actually, I love it. Don't know about this. No. Those one. I don't like it. No. Don't know about this. Don't know about this. No. From Chainsaw Man, no. Okay, this. Oh, I can. Yeah. I can do this one. From the main characters of Chainsaw Man, I can do this one. Yeah. Don't this one. Don't know this one. Don't know. And finally, the Dan. I like it. I did it. I did the non-canon BL yaoi ships tier list. And the rendering is pretty good. Actually. I mean, look at this. It's a full of hear me out. Yeah. I feel like crying. And you know what's worse? The worst is that I will go to the toilet, so I will just leave you for some minutes with the whole tier list in front of your eyes. Staring into your soul, full of BLs and canon and non-canon ships, while I'm into the bathroom. Okay. I am the black. Oh, pardon, loupé. Let me drink a little bit of water. Histoire to... Oh, histoire to... I was talking half in French, okay. Just to let you see even more the tier list of BL ships. Ah. My little cat. Mr. Craft, hello. Welcome, Mr. Craft. This is dying right here. Marcus and my suffering. Okay. Calm down. Crafty, you have to do this. Calm down. Okay.